This is Violet. She's going to be in the 3rd grade, and today we are learning the place value of decimal points, or decimal numbers. Okay, so here is your worksheet, and it is talking about the thousandths, and it's telling you how to tell what place value each number is. So right here we have 12 and 345 thousandths, and that helps her distinguish between where the tens, the ones, the decimal point, the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths are. And there's 7 questions that she is going to answer on here. Here's your pencil.
Thank you.
Okay, so in the number 12 and 345 thousandths, can you tell me the place value of each one of them real quick?
The 1 is in the tenths place, the 2 is in the ones place, and the decimal point is in the decimal point, of course, and then the 3 is in the tenths place, and the 4 is in the hundredths, and the 5 is in the thousandths.
Good job. Okay, so for your first question, it says, what is the place value of the number 5 in the number above?
It is the thousand.
Good job.
Can you read that good?
Yes. Thousandths. Okay. The second question is, write the number that has 5 tens, 9 ones, 4 tenths, 5 hundredths, and 7 thousandths. So look at this and then look up here where your place values are and write that number for me. You need a 5 in the tens place.
Then 9 next.
9 in the
Decimal.
9 in what place?
The ones.
Good job. And you're going to put a decimal. And then you need a 4 in the tenths place. So it
4.
comes right after the...
The decimal point.
Good job. Okay, and then a 5 in the hundredths place.
And then the 7 in the thousandths.
Good job. Okay, can you say that number for me?
59.45 thousand. 7,000.
59 and 457 thousandths.
Is that close?
Almost.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. So number 3 question says, what number is in the thousandths place in the number sequence 9.876? So you're looking,
6.
the number 6 is in the thousandths
So
place.
do I just write 6?
Yep, just write the number 6. Good job. Okay, question number 4. Write the number that has 8 tens, 3 ones, 7 hundredths, and 4 thousandths. You see right here what we're missing? We're missing the tenths. So
I put a 0,
good
right?
job. Yes. Okay. So you need an 8 in the tens place, a 3 in the ones place.
And then
What comes after the ones?
a decimal point.
Good job. And because there are 0 tenths,
I have to put a 0.
right, correct.
You don't have to put it on this side, but on this side you have to put it on.
Right. Okay.
And then
7 hundredths
7 hundredths
and 4 thousandths.
and 4 thousandths.
So that number is 83 and 74 thousandths. Good job. Okay.
It's like I have $83 and 0 cents. And 7 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Forgot you can only cut off the end.
Okay, let's see. The question for number 5 is write the decimal number for 5 and 200ths.
So the decimal number, what is the decimal?
Okay, the number for 5 and, so your and
Is
represents
my decimal.
is your decimal point.
Should I just
So-
put a decimal?
So you can go ahead and write your decimal because you know that you need that. But the number and, what number does it say that needs to be in front of the number?
5.
Okay, good job. So that goes 5 and
2
200ths. But looky here. You see that?
There's supposed to be there, so I have to put a 0.
Yes. A 0 for the tens and then a 2 for the hundredths. Nope, other way around. 0 for the tenths, and 2 for the hundredths.
Okay. 0, 2.
Okay? So, for question number 6, write the number that has 6 tens, 0 ones, 0 tenths, 0 hundredths, and 3 thousandths.
So I just put 6, 0, 0, and 3.
So you need a 6 in the tens place,
So I need a 6,
a 0 in the ones place,
a 0, a decimal,
because the decimal always comes after the ones place.
and after that,
Okay? Then you need 0 tenths,
0,
0 hundredths,
0 hundredths,
and then 3 thousandths.
3. So it's like I have $60 and 0 cents.
So you would read this number as 60 and 3 thousandths because, yes. So number 7, write the decimal number for 9 and 1 thousandth.
So,
You know that
9.
you're,
and then I put my decimal.
and 1 thousandth is the last one.
So I have to
So,
put a 1.
listen,
You
you
have to put a 0 and then a 1.
need a 0 and you need a 0.
And then I need a 1. 0, 0, 1.
So that number is 9 and 1 thousandths. Good job. So here is her completed worksheet. Okay. So for our next little activity, we have some dollar bills. Okay. And then we have some dimes.
So I have $3.25.
So here's you a piece of paper, and I want you to write down how you would write $3.25.
And then I have to put my 20. And I put my 5. And
Good
then I-
job. So you have 3.25.
25.
Yes.
Do I have to put a 0 at the end?
Nope.
Okay.
Okay. And then I have some follow-up questions that are not related to your
So do I
worksheet.
have to
So
go where do I?
no, you stay
Okay.
right here. Okay, so I need you to number your paper to number 5. Put 1, skip a line, 2, skip a line,
2, and then I put a 3, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
4. Do I put any 6s or 7s?
Let's go back to this money real quick. Okay, so when we had 3 $1 bills, and they're whole because it takes how many pennies to make up a dollar?
100.
Okay, so they're whole, so they go on the left side of the decimal because they were a whole number. So it's 1, 2, 3, and you have 2 dimes, So that's your 20. And then your 5 cents goes in your hundredths place, and that makes the $3.25. Okay? Are you ready for your 5 questions?
Yeah!
Okay, so question number 1. All of these, I want you to tell me what place value the number 2 is in.
Okay.
So in the number,
Can you write the number, all of them, for all of them, and then, so it'll be a little quicker?
stop it. Okay, so all of these, I want you to tell me what place value the number 2 is in. So we have, for number 1, 12 and 56 hundredths.
So this one is in the
Let me get back your thing.
ones place, right?
Correct.
So what do I do now?
Just write what.
Okay.
Okay, and question number 2, tell me what place value the number 2 is in.
It's in
289 thousandths.
It's in the ones place, right?
Nope, because the 0 is in the ones place.
Okay, so it's in
It comes after the decimal. So what number?
tenths.
The tenths.
So T E M
TH S.
T H S.
Okay.
Can you read that good?
The next number is 123 thousandths.
So the 2 is in the hundredths.
Good job. It's HUN
HUN
DRE
DRE
DTH
DTHS.
S. Okay. The next one, 25.75. Okay, or 25 and 75 hundredths. What decimal point is the 2 in?
The 2 is in the tens.
The what?
Tens place.
The tens place. Good job.
TENS.
NS. Okay, so for our last question,
It's in the thousandths.
good job. The number is 5 and 432 thousandths.
So T
HO
H O
US
U S
AND
A N D
THS.
THS. Can you read that good?
I can. Good job. Okay, so here's her questions that I wrote down. Let me take her $3.25, but there's her questions and her answers. Thank you, Violet.